I think one of the things that has impressed me the most about the engineering program is that in my tenure at University of Texas Pan American, I came here in 1970. I've seen enormous changes take place, but I have never seen such enthusiastic support for any given program. We've had community support, we've had political support, we've had professional engineers supporting us. Our administration has given us very strong support, and the state legislature has funded us very well to get this program started and to start a quality program.
The engineering is finally becoming big in the Valley. It's when I started 4 years ago, we didn't have a building. It was just barely getting started. And now it's growing. I mean, there are engineering students all over the place.
I think it's very important because a lot of people want to go into engineering here in the Valley, and they take something else instead because the program is just not available here.
With this particular building here, I think Pan Am has a good opportunity of develop their engineering program into a master's program and eventually a doctor's program.
It turned out the architects were very cooperative in working with the engineering faculty and laying out the building. The building is laid out in 3 parts: a classroom and office wing, which is the north wing, and then an auditorium and 250 student capacity, and then another wing that had the laboratories for mechanical and manufacturing engineering.
The important part of this building is that it was designed with engineering in mind. We've got it wired, we've got it ready to go for the modern classroom, we've got it wired to go for the modern laboratory equipment.
Now we've separated all the machinery and all the devices for each particular lab. We got the fluids, all the fluid devices here in this particular lab, which in the other lab we didn't.
So now that we have more equipment, we can actually do more hands-on work on the laboratories instead of saying, well, if we had this piece of equipment, we could have done this type of lab.
Another feature that we've designed into the building is we have areas for students to study, both individually and as a group. We have that built into the building where it's designed for a commuter type of campus like we are.
This facility is really meant for the students, and they are the ultimate users of this building.
Now everything's here. We don't have to go to from building to building. Also, we have nice study rooms. We even have rooms for our clubs.
The engineering program here is unique because it's small. It's growing, but we're still small enough to where we have that one-on-one interaction with the professors, with faculty. They want to help you, and they do.
Right now, they get to know you by name, and you can stop them in the hall and ask them a question. They always have time to talk to you.
Here, the professors want you to succeed. They want you to, get everything you can out of the program. And I think that with everything they've done for me and for all the students here, they needed this. They needed something that goes back to them and to the students. It's like giving something back for all the work that they've done for us.
Since we don't have a graduate program yet, all of us, all the undergraduates, actually get to work with all this equipment. And that's a big plus, whether, when you graduate, they're going to ask you if you have any experience, and we're going to be able to say yes, we do.
Here, the students, they were able to work on this latest technology, and it certainly is going to improve the image of the program.
Our goal is to see every graduate getting a job. Our goal to see them getting a very good job, a satisfying job. Job is their choice. We are not looking just to have a number of graduates, but we are working very hard with them, with the placement office, is to secure a job for them after they graduate.
Engineering is particularly important to economic development. Many of the companies that are involved in manufacturing and certainly in the high-paying, high-tech jobs, many of those industries are attracted to an area that has lots of manpower. So having an engineering school as well as a technical school in the Rio Grande Valley gives us a ready source of technical manpower, and that's going to cause economic development in the Rio Grande Valley. Our students are finding jobs all over the United States. They're finding jobs with Intel, with Motorola, with the 3M Corporation, with Hughes Space and Communications. Very big companies are hiring our students, but many of our students are also finding employment here in the Rio Grande Valley. As we graduate more and more students, I think high-tech companies are going to be attracted to the Valley area.